Hey everybody, today we are going to do the Polarity and Solubility lab with packing peanuts. So hopefully you have that Google Doc opened up and you're going to follow along as I go through the demo. Okay, so be sure you read the background information before you start, or else this lab won't really make sense to you. We're going to go ahead and go down to the data table on the second page. And as I go through this, make sure you write your observations. So we have two different types of packing peanuts today. We have these cornstarch ones, and then we have these styrofoam packing peanuts. And we have two different solutions. We have water, and then we have acetone. Okay, I'm going to start with the water, and we are going to add a cornstarch packing peanut to one of the beakers, and then a styrofoam packing peanut to the other. Okay, so cornstarch. And again, we're putting this in water. And then we're going to add the styrofoam packing peanut in the other beaker with water. And I'll put a couple of each so we can see what happens. This one takes a little bit longer, so I'm going to stir it and we'll set it aside for a couple minutes and then we'll come back to this, okay? We're going to move on to our beakers with acetone in them. So this is what you use to remove nail polish. And we're going to add, again, a cornstarch packing peanut into our acetone, and then a styrofoam packing peanut into our acetone. Okay, with the styrofoam one, you can see something is immediately happening. That styrofoam is dissolving into our acetone. Let's add another one. Again, this is the styrofoam and acetone. Dissolves very quickly. Nothing much is happening with our cornstarch and acetone yet, but we'll leave it for a minute and see if anything happens. Okay, so I have been stirring the water and cornstarch, and you can see that most of the cornstarch packing peanuts have dissolved in our water now. It took a couple minutes and a lot of stirring, but they did dissolve eventually. This is our styrofoam packing peanuts in water. Still nothing has happened. They have not dissolved. And then our cornstarch in acetone has not dissolved. And then again, our styrofoam packing peanuts and our acetone dissolved very quickly.